Imagine your auto repair shop lost in the sea of searches. Now picture this: AI stepping in like a supercharged GPS, guiding customers straight to your door. In Madison, Wisconsin, America's Best Shops is flipping the script with AI-powered local search. This isn't just tech jargon, it's a game changer. Your shop appears first when people desperately need repairs. Crazy, right? But here's the twist. AI knows exactly what your customers want before they do. It learns, adapts, and pushes your shop right to the top. No more wasted ads or empty waiting rooms. Visualize your sign glowing under neon lights. Busy bays filled with cars, mechanics hustling, all because AI cracked the code. Feeling stuck? This tech is like giving your business a turbo boost. Local, smart, unstoppable. Are you ready to stop being invisible and start dominating Madison's auto repair scene? Don't just watch the future roll by, drive it. What if AI could double your customers next month? Would you take the wheel or stay parked? Tap into this revolution with America's Best Shops. The road ahead is AI-powered. Will you grow or stay lost in the crowd?